To add customer supplied products within DecoNetwork, simply come up to Select Catalog. And within the catalog selection, you want to make sure you are viewing all suppliers, and you want to select customer supplied items and click Save. Now do note that this is going to update any catalogs that you're currently using, so this will take a minute or two. Now that the catalogs have updated, we can come back into the products, choose our supplier, customer supplied items, and here you will find all of the generic customer supplied products in DecoNetwork. So if we want to update one of these products, simply select the item. And do know that these are very generic. We can add a new description. We can update the name. We can add additional colors, even though almost every color you're going to need is going to be there. We can update the decoration areas and locations. The price is typically going to be $0 for the blank, and we're just charging for the decoration. Typically, we don't even are charging for sizes. Just know that DecoNetwork has essentially made a white labeled product here. All you have to do is put on the final touches, make it available to your contract clients, and then they can submit those orders to you as seamlessly as possible.